Hi, welcome to Shri Tarot. Welcome Akansha. Please share. I have a share tag. Please subscribe the YouTube channel and post your questions. Kanna ji, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Tarot Angelic Goddess is the YouTube channel name. For the free answers, please subscribe, like, share. Santosh Kumar Thakur from Darbanga Vihar. My friend Rekha Sonar from Karimgaj. Kanna ji, third party readings I'm not doing in free. So if you want, you can book your slot for personal. If that is your friend, definitely she should post me the question for the free answer. Akansha, I am good. How are you, dear? Thank you for asking. Guys, third parties, if your relatives, if your friends, if you want to ask about them, definitely they should post me directly for the free question. But I don't do third party readings in a free. I'm an energy reader, so that I need to connect your energy. Hi Naira, please subscribe the YouTube channel and post it in English. Kanna ji, you asked about your friend, right? That is third party. Okay. You're Santosh Kumar. Okay, you need to post directly your name, so that my friend, you posted like my friend. I thought it was third party. Resha, good evening. Welcome. Okay, Kanna ji, post your question again. Guys, please subscribe the YouTube channel and post your questions. Subscribe the YouTube channel, like and share the live session. I have a sharer tag. Let me start once everybody joins. Resha, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Kanna ji. Santosh Kumar Thakur. Okay. Okay. Rekha Sonar from Karimgaj. Feelings for Santosh Kumar. Santosh Kumar, for you, I'm feeling maybe she's worried about finance, about yours. Maybe she's thinking in that way. Right now, her feelings is I don't see there is something regarding you both. She's thinking positively, but definitely there is something she's worrying about the people behind you or people behind her. Something like I see some already something hurted her, I think, in the past. Maybe it's related to you, or it might not be related to you, means it's been like it's about her. So I'm feeling the energy is telling me it's around her, something hurted her, maybe some situation or past relationship or past something. She's worried still, maybe she's not come out of that still yet. Or it might be you also. I see sadness, maybe I see feelings also here. Maybe it can't be expressed because of there is unfinished business in other side, in our another relationship, maybe family or maybe friendship or something else. Okay, for more details, Kannaji, you can contact me directly for a private reading. Okay, right now our feelings is about money. Our feelings is she's thinking about like you should be stable in money or something. And even it might be for ourselves, for our own growth, finance. Okay, thank you, Kannaji. Who is next? Who subscribe the YouTube channel? Resha. Resha, will Abdul marry me? Okay, Resha, let me check. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, show me the cards I need to see for Resha and Abdul. Spirits, angel, expression of cards. Resha. Will Abdul marry me? Definitely, I see a chance, Resha. But there is like no action being taken. Maybe it's very slow. Maybe to express or to move forward in this, maybe somebody is thinking or lagging. It might be no contact, or maybe it is like sort of no direct answers or no direct satisfaction answers. Maybe you want it directly, or maybe it's taking time. I see it's taking time. It's a delay, little bit slow, but definitely there is a positive changes. Okay. Thank you, Resha. Please subscribe the YouTube channel. Kajal, please subscribe the YouTube channel and post your question, Kajal. Shagoit, thank you for sharing. Guys, please have a sharer tag to be noticed, to be given attention. You need to have a sharer tag like Resha and Shagoit. For the new people who are new to Shri Tarot, welcome. Please go to the YouTube channel. Please check the videos. I have uploaded all zodiac signs reading for this month. Kajal, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Ethel, welcome. Anubovik, please share. Have a sharer tag. शुभम काजल कब देंगे? शुभम काजल, दिस इज फॉर यू. शुभम काजल को शादी का प्रपोजल. Dear, I see a positive change. Okay, I see a temperance card. Within 5 months there might be something news coming for you about your relationship. Okay, Kajal. Sachiv, I can give you an angel card. Future reading will be a private reading, which is 30 and 40 minutes private session. You need to book a slot for that. I can give you an angel card for business. Sachi, this is for you. I see 2 cards. Sachiv, I see improvement for you in 9 months for your business. I see earth signs, I see water signs, maybe your water or earth sign. Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, it might be related to these zodiacs, which is best for you to move in your business. Ethel, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Ethel, did you write any exam on that? Ethel, this is for you by next year. Definitely there is a chance within 3 months you may get any news, Ethel, on that. Definitely there is a positive cards, Temperance and the Empress. Thank you. People who don't have share tag, I'm not taking your questions. Tiwari, you should share more. You should share more to get a sharer tag. Ethel, there is a positive news coming regarding your job within 3 months. Okay, be patient. Raslin Kaur, I am good. Thank you for asking. Please share and subscribe the YouTube channel and post your question. I don't see share tag. Future Bhavna Sharma, future reading will be done in private session. I need your photo, date of birth. It is 30 and 40 minutes depth reading session. You can book your slot. Akash Kumar, welcome. Guys, future reading is on private only. If you have any specific questions, you can post here. Okay. General reading, okay. Thank you for sharing, Bhavna. Bhavna, I see lot of fire energy. I see fire sign. It might be Aries, Leo. Bhavana, through your energy, I am feeling might be some conflicts arising. This is just a awareness card. I'm seeing some conflicts, some fights around you. Maybe it is internal. Maybe it is internal. Maybe defend your beliefs and decisions. Stand your ground. Choose your battles wisely. Okay. This is your message. Thank you. Pammija, please share. Welcome. Kapileshwari Navada, please subscribe the YouTube channel. I can give you a reading. Devali Paul, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Devali. Akash Kumar, general reading is Murli. Okay. Akash, this is for you. Akash, I see loyalty around you. There might be dedicated, or maybe it's regarding your career. I see something you need to buckle up, and you should just buckle down and get things done. If you want favor from anybody else, you need to buckle down in front of them. I see you should honor your commitments or something. Maybe it's very good guidance. I'll just check on your energy if you want more. I'm seeing, but be careful from people. It's regarding your job or something. I'm getting around you. There are many people who talk behind. I see. Maybe you'll be noticing later. So be aware of that. Thank you, Akash. Kapileshwari, my finance. Okay, let me check. Kapileshwari, I see maybe it's very much you are being working hard for your finance or something still, but in relationship I see little bit stable and little bit there might be something well there, but in finance I'm seeing maybe it takes time to settle down still for you. For your future, definitely I can give you an angel card on Kapileshwari. So finance, I see little bit sadness around your finance. So it is a slow moving. I see little slow moving. So definitely there might be too much of work for you. You should ask help from others. Might be you will be out of balance in finance aspect. Maybe stress related, health related concerns may stress related health concerns I see for you in coming days. So this is just a guidance card. Thank you. Oh, please tell me about Debali, higher education. Okay. And love life. Diwali, I can give you one reading today so that I'll see on your education. Okay. Please tell me about higher education. This is for you, Diwali. Definitely, if you join with your friends or maybe something like teamwork, I see a teamwork or a combined studies or something, it will help you to be more confident. It will help you to improve your knowledge. I see a positive change in your education. In coming 8 months, I definitely see a good results for you. Okay, this is very positive card. This is a major arcana, which is Wheel of Fortune. I see related to education. You asked me. It is about a teamwork or a group work. Okay, so study well. All the best. Thank you, Diwali. Whatever there is in your mind, definitely I see a positive change on education for you. Maybe if you're planning for any type of education, it might be. Uh, like masters or anything like that, that is also I'm getting a positive result on that also. Raslin, please post your question, Raslin. Let me check. तिवारी, और भी आप शेयर करना चाहिए. Afia Amal, are you there? Raslin, please post your question, Raslin.